Are you trying to decide between Siyuan and Logseq? You are not alone. Many people wonder which tool is better for their note taking and knowledge management needs. In this video, we'll compare Siyuan and Logseq. Both are popular tools that help you organize your thoughts and ideas, but they have different features and functions. Siyuan is a note taking app that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It offers a clean interface where you can easily create and manage notes. You can link your notes, making it easier to find related information. It also supports Markdown, which many users love for formatting text. On the other hand, Logseq is more of a knowledge management tool. It uses a graph based structure to connect your notes. This means you can visualize how your ideas relate to each other. Logseq also emphasizes bidirectional linking, allowing for a more dynamic way to explore your thoughts. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Siwan is straightforward and user friendly, making it great for beginners. Logseq, however, is more powerful for those who want to create a complex web of knowledge. If you like visualizing your information, Logseq might be the better choice. When it comes to features, C1 shines with its clean interface and easy organization. Logseq, meanwhile, offers advanced linking and a graph view that helps you see connections. Both have their strength depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, Siyuan usually offers a free version with optional paid features. Logseq also has a free version with some premium options available. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple, easy to use tool, go for Siyuan. But if you need advanced features and enjoy visualizing your notes, Logseq is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.